Yes.
Hi friends, Ramesh here. In this video, we are going to see about what is a list, what is a list and what is a list items and how to navigate through the lists and how to reach the top of the list and how to come out of the list directly, as we saw in the previous class for the tables to come, how to come out of the table directly. So lists and tables are they are called as containers. Containers means it will have some group of cells in tables or group of list items in lists. So list is normally a group of list items. List contains a group of list items. So we have to for that I'm opening a file.
Zoom row 1, downloads row 1, downloads, items, connect lists 1 of unit 1 dash rate P.
So let us see what is list and how to navigate through list here in this file.
Heading level.
So as we previously said that to navigate through list, we have to press the key command L. I am pressing L here. L once. Listen carefully.
List with 3 items 1 dot.
So list with 3 items. One list is containing 3 items, list items. So again I am pressing L.
List with 2 items a right paren.
So A right parent, okay. Again I am pressing L.
List with 2 items a right paren.
Again I am pressing L.
List with 2 items a right paren.
Again I am pressing L.
List with 4 items bullet.
List with 4 items. Again I am pressing L.
No next list.
So no next list. So these are all the list items on the list in this file, in this particular document. Let me go to the top of the document by pressing Control Home.
Out of list heading level 1 unit 1 dash rate people of India.
So first I'm going to press L for list.
List with 3 items 1 dot.
So list with 3 items. So I am in this list group with the 3 items. I'm going to give Control down arrow to navigate into the list items, to navigate through the list items. So each list item will have normally a label before it. Okay, so let us see what is the label here for these list items.
Out of list with 3 items 1 dot.
So one is the label here. For one, the L body, it is the content text for the list item is. Now I'm pressing Control down arrow again.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi. So again I'm pressing Control down arrow.
List with 2 items a right paren.
List with 2 items. A right parent. So A is the label here, and again I'm pressing Control down arrow. Achievements. So again Control down arrow.
B right paren.
B is a label here. So again Control down arrow. Failures. Failures is the L body, that is list body of that list item. Okay. Again I'm pressing Control down arrow.
Out of list 2 dot.
So it has come out of that list. It has come to the second list item. So again I'm pressing Control down arrow here.
Dr. P. J. Abdul Kalam.
So 2 is the label. APJ, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is the list item number 2. Again I'm pressing Control down arrow.
List with 2 items a right paren.
List with 2 items. A right parent is a label. Let us see the L body for this label. Achievements. Again I'm pressing Control down arrow.
B right parent.
B right parent. B is the label. Again I'm pressing Control down arrow. Failures. Failures is the L body, list body. Again I'm pressing Control down arrow.
Out of list 3 dot.
It has come out of the list and it has come to the label number 3. So again I'm pressing Control down arrow.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin Tendulkar is the L body. Again, I'm pressing control down arrow.
List with 2 items, a right paren.
List with the 2 items, A right parent. A is the label here. Again, I'm pressing control down arrow.
Achievements.
Achievements is the list body. Again, control down arrow.
B right paren.
B is the label.
Failures.
Failures is the list body of the list item. Again, I'm pressing control down arrow.
Out of list heading level 2 life history of the great P.
So out of list, it will say 2 times out of list. Why? Because let me go to the top of the document by pressing control, home,
Heading level 1.
and I'm pressing L to come into the list.
List with 3 items, 1 dot.
So it is containing only 3 number of items. We have seen some 2 plus 2, 4, 6 plus 9 list of items. Let me give down arrows.
Mahatma Gandhi.
So 1 is label. For that one, first label Mahatma Gandhi is the list item. Again, I'm pressing down arrow.
List with 2 items, a right paren.
So under that one, A and B are the sublists. So it is again dividing into 2 sublists. So each list item has contains 2 number of sublists under them. So A is one of the label for first sublist.
Achievements.
Achievement is the list body. And again, I'm pressing down arrow.
B right paren.
B is one of the label for the first list item. So it is sublist number 2 for the first list item.
Failures.
So failures is the L body of the B, nested list B. Again, I'm pressing down arrow.
Out of list 2 dot.
So it has come outside the first list item. For now only it has come outside the first list item. Okay. So number here, what we have to see is 3 list items are there, and for each list item, 2 sublist, that is nested lists, are there. So it is we have to see whether by pressing control down arrow, we have to note clearly that whether it is coming out of the list or out of the list items. Okay. So if sublists are available, if nested lists are available in the list item, means after coming out of the list, it will say 2 times out of the list as 2 times, because it is coming out of the list item, that is for nested list once, and it is coming out from the whole list group once. So it will announce, the screen reader will announce out of list as 2 times. So how to go to the top of the list directly means, as like that of table, I'm pressing control, comma,
1 dot.
so it will directly go to the top of the list for list number 1. So let me show it again.
List B right failure out of list 2 dot.
So now I am in the second label number 2, that is for the list item number 2. From here I am pressing shift, comma,
1 dot.
so it will directly go to the first list item. Let me confirm that by giving down arrow.
Mahatma Gandhi.
So Mahatma Gandhi is the first list item. So it will get directly go to the top of the list. So how to come out of the list means, as the top of the table, you have to press just comma. Now I'm going to press comma. Listen clearly.
Life history of the great people heading level 2.
Life history of the great people heading level 2. If I give one arrow mark means, one arrow key means, up arrow key means once, we can see that it will be in the bottom of the list group. It will come outside from whole list group while pressing comma. Let me give once the up arrow.
List with 3 items, list with 2 items, failures.
So it is now entering in the reverse side of the list group. So let me give control up arrow.
B right paren. Achievements. A right paren. Out of list Sachin Tendulkar. 3 dot. List with 2 items, failures. B right achievements. A right per out of list Dr. dot a dot 2 dot.
So we are at the bottom of the list group. So this is how we have to navigate through the list and the list items. So keep in mind that in a list we have to see the 4 things. That is, list is a group of list items. For that we are going to give L, and navigating inside the list, you have to give control down arrow, so that you can avoid more confusions. If it enters, if any list items contains any nested list, means it will again say that list with one item or two items or 5 items according to the number of nested lists given inside that list group. Okay, so don't confuse with that. While coming outside from that whole list group, it will announce, the screen reader will announce out of the list as 2 times. So we have to keep 4 things: a list item. Each list item will contain one LBL and one L body. Okay, these are all the 4 things we have to keep in the mind while navigating through the list and the list items. So in the next class, we are going to see, so what are the things we have to check in the tester point of view through the lists and the list items in LBL, that is the labels, in the list bodies, etc. Okay. See you in the next class. So take care. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Downloads, meeting controls row, meeting